In this video, we will decode how to get an A plus in Pakistan Studies 2059. Pakistan Studies is divided into two papers. Paper 1, the history and culture of Pakistan, and Paper 2, the environment of Pakistan. From each paper, you will be required to attempt 3 questions. The duration to complete each paper will be 1 hour and 30 minutes. Both papers will weigh 50% of the mark. Paper 1 is divided into two sections. Section A is compulsory, and from Section B you will be required to attempt 2 questions. In Paper 2 there will be 5 questions and you will be required to attempt 3 questions. Let's discuss some rules, don'ts and tricks to prepare and attempt Pakistan Studies paper. Once you have completed your syllabus, I will suggest you to solve 2 into 5 years of past papers of Paper 1 and 2 into 7 years of past papers of Paper 2. From Paper 1 syllabus, you can skip Section 3 nationhood, which is quite boring, and still acquire an A+. However, your Paper 2 preparation should be spotless because it will help you acquire any marks that you have lost in Paper 1. Few things that you must not do. Don't go off topic, don't write lengthy answers, and keep a target of 25 minutes to complete one question. Many students fail short in knowing how much they should write. For a 4 marks question, you should be writing 4 to 5 lines of 10 words. For a 7 marks question, you must be writing 10 to 14 lines of 10 words. For a 14 marks question, you should be writing 2-page answer, that is roughly 20 to 22 lines. Always include a conclusion in a 14 marks question. Another small tip, if you are running short of time and you are scared that you won't be able to complete your paper on time, I will suggest you to answer your questions in bullet form, with each bullet explaining a new point. Don't go explaining sentences or a same point, as it will cost you your marks. I hope you like this video and find it informative. Don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on LinkedIn, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.